How long should my chapters be? There's no one answer to that question. It depends on your reader expectations within the genre that you're working in. Readers of thrillers, for example, expect a much faster pace than readers of women's suspense or romantic suspense or cozies. What is probably more important than the length is the consistency. In writing traditional mysteries, I always aimed for 7 to 10 pages. The trick is that you want every chapter to be somewhere within that 7 to 10 page window. Working on a thriller, I might be going for 3 or 4 pages. Again, there's no one ideal pace, but think about it. How important are the plot twists? How important are the unexpected events? That is part of how you determine the chapter length, because you want to integrate those plot twists, plot reversals, moments of heightened danger, those unexpected events that fuel the pace at predictable points in the story. And it all relates to the overall pace, and then within that, how you're going to divide it into chapters. Whatever you decide to do, be consistent. I look forward to hearing your thoughts on the subject and how you decide. I do read all the comments. And if this video had value for you, would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features for us that lets us make these videos even more valuable for you. Thank you.